Hey all, my name is Ganesha Ratnam with 25 years of corporate work experience and all in top notch companies like Wipro, G Capital, ICICI Bank, AGS, Federal Life Insurance. And I would like to thank Srini for giving me this opportunity to share my views on the topic Chase Your Dream. Well, I would like to start, me being me, challenge the very topic, saying that is it all about chasing the dream or is it about realizing the dream? So that is very important. We need to have this clarity. I'm sorry, Srini, but I thought I should tell you that it is more about realizing the dream than chasing the dream. However, I would like to join the dots by telling this that every normal human being dreams. Above normal chases his dreams, and supernormal realizes the dream. I always remember Mr. Kalam's quote that it is not a dream. A dream is not one which allows you to comes when you sleep. It should never allow you to sleep. I think that's a very profound statement, and I strongly connect with it and I strongly endorse it because that's how it has been for me. In my corporate or work life experience of the last 25 years, I have worked with giants of people in the industry who has been extraordinarily successful, not only in my domain of banking and financial services, but also in sports, healthcare, and any other related field or domain. I have this habit of jotting down uh, what I like the most in the person with whom I have had an engagement today, especially if I am meeting him for the first time. So I write it down, and I have written this down for the last 15 years. It is even a small, my friend, frontline sales guy. When I meet them, I observe, I write it down, and all that I could do when I really noted down what makes people successful was that just narrow all these thoughts or observations of mine into 5 important points, very important points, and which I profoundly connect with, and I feel plays a very rather extraordinarily important role in somebody realizing the dream rather than just remaining the one chasing the dream. So I call this as the 5 C's. 5 C's. And what are these 5 C's? Character. Character describes you and character defines you. Very important. It's the very foundation of who you are and what you are going to be. So character, it starts with character. Second, clarity of thought. That's the second C. What is this clarity of thought? We need to know very clearly what we want. We need to know very clearly by when we want what we want. And third, if we know 1 and 2, we will clearly know how we need to achieve what we want. So therefore, clarity of thought is very important. So that's the second C. Third is the commitment. This plays very crucial role because if you are not committed to the cause of your own life of dreaming, which is aspiring, then chasing your dream, then realizing your dream. commitment is the only thing that will drive you to endure all pains. Commitment is the only thing that will ensure that you don't give up despite trying times, failures, repeated failures, criticisms, mockeries, etc., negativisms, etc. So commitment is very important, and also it is this commitment that will make you push out of the comfort zones to try out new things, experiment new things, even if it means to fail. So therefore commitment is extremely important. That's the third C. Now coming to the fourth C, consistency. Consistency is important ingredient because every step to realizing our dream comes out of efforts. Every effort, however tiny or however mighty it be, is extremely important. And for us to do that effort on a daily basis, on a repeated basis, on number of times repetitively, is most important thing, and for which we only consistency gives that strength to your dream, consistency of that effort. So therefore consistency is very important. And the final one is you becoming capable or competent. So I term it as competency or capability. Capability and competency doesn't just come in classroom. It comes from your own observations with various people, various situations, various circumstances, your own experiences. In other words, competency is also very importantly built, rather very strongly built from your learnings. In one word, if we could summarize all the earlier descriptions, it is called as learning. Your competency and capability is largely chiseled from the learnings that you have, and that plays a very critical role. So if I were to sum it up, people whom I view as giants or the mighty ones in the industry, in my industry or my domain, have been extremely having this 5 C's as common throughout. This 5 C is common throughout, and therefore I realize that it is this 5 C that plays a very, very crucial role in one's ability to realize a dream that he has been dreaming, and it is this 5 C that makes him to chase the dream. So therefore I will say that these 5 C's are the most critical and crucial ingredients for one to not just chase the dream but to realize the dream. Here is a wishing from me to each one of you and to your family for all goodness and greatness in the coming days. Thank you so much.